What's up guys, and welcome back to this Mercedes Mobility Minibus motorhome conversion. So today's video, as part of this build, is going to be putting up all of the PVC cladding on the ceiling. As you can see, the conversion itself is progressing quite nicely. I'm getting to pretty much the final stages now, and I've been leaving the cladding until one of the final jobs, just to be sure that it was going to be going up nice and neatly around all of the units and all the walls that I've built. I've bought some white high gloss PVC cladding with chrome strips. I'll put links in the description for everything that I'm going to be using throughout this video, so if you're looking for similar sort of cladding or any of the tools that I'm going to be using throughout, just have a look in the description of the video. Everything will be listed there. So to crack on, I'm going to be putting some supporting strips up. I've already got one there that's attached to the very front of the bus, as you can see. All of the cladding is going to be sitting inside here. I've still got a lot more of these to cut down. I've just cut one down there, and I've got a few more to cut down there as well. These are going to be ran all the way around the edging of the bus, and all of the cladding is going to sit inside of the PVC trim, and it's all going to be getting secured up against the ply lining that's already on the ceiling already. So I'm going to crack on, get some safety gear out, some tools out, get some more of this PVC trimmed, cut down to shape, get it secured to the sides. Then we'll get some of the PVC cladding out, we'll get some of that cut down, we'll get it up, and hopefully by the end of this video we'll have a fully cladded out ceiling in this Mercedes minibus. Right, so I didn't really bother filming most of the trim because at the end of the day it's just screwing a little bit of trim all the way around, but I've got it all the way around the living area now, all the way down the kitchen side, all the way around the fridge and oven area as well. So I've got the first board of the PVC cladding cut down. As you can see, this has the chrome strips running down the middle and down the edge of each board, so hopefully it'll look quite nice and neat when it's up. I'll also be putting some LEDs into these PVC cladding boards as well. I've already got a dimmer in place with the wiring already fed, so it's just a case of putting the LEDs into the boards once they're actually up onto the ceiling. So I'm going to get a few more of these boards cut down, and then we'll get them up, fed into all the trim, fed all the way around, and hopefully soon we'll have a fully clad out ceiling. Right guys, so there we go, that is the ceiling cladding in this Mercedes mobility minibus, fully complete now. All of the cladding's been placed within all of the white strips going all the way around, just for that little bit of added extra professional look. It just gives that little bit of nice neat finish to it as well. As I say, all of the panels have had the LED lights fitted in as well. In the main living area I've got 5 in the ceiling with another 2 underneath the kitchen cabinets, with another couple of lights in the rear bedroom area as well. As you can see, all the rear bedroom area is fully clad now as well. Needed a couple of trims to go around the climate control housing units, but other than that, again, everything is placed within the white trim going all the way around, again just to give it a nice neat trimmed finish. The lights are all on dimmer switches so they'll be turned on and off as needed. That also goes for the living area as well. I've got a little dimmer switch on the wall there, turn that on, and that lights up all the lights, fully adjustable with the brightness as well. They can be dimmed right down and increased back up again and turned off as and when needed. So that's how I've fitted all of this PVC cladding up in this Mercedes mobility minibus. If you're going to be fitting some similar sort of cladding yourself and you're looking for where to get it, have a look in the description of the video below. I'll put links below to everything that I've used within this build, for the PVC cladding, for the lights, for the dimmer switch, for all of the trim going round. As I say, everything, I'll put links in the description of the video below, so have a look down there. If you found this video useful, please do consider giving it a good old thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button. I've already converted 5 vans, this is the 6th van, step by step throughout on the channel, and there's going to be another one coming soon as well. So if you're new, hit the subscribe button. If you found this video useful, please give it a good old thumbs up, and hopefully I'll see you on the next video of the series. Thanks for watching, cheers.